I'm in the kitchen today working with the leftover turkey, making some turkey noodle soup over here and some turkey broth, so that will be awesome. And next up, I need to make sugar cookies for our tree lighting ceremony happening on Wednesday night at church, and cookies will be shared. So hope some of you can join us for that. Also, I have a party closing today, and I'm doing a drawing for anybody who wants to place an order. You'll earn 10 entries if you place an order. And we're going to do a cookie recipe exchange. So I will post some fun posts and some cookie recipes. So you will earn an entry if you share your favorite recipe for Christmas cookies, and if you share the recipe for your favorite cookie, you also earn an additional 5 points. And I've had 2 people share recipes so far, so thank you to those people. Beth, I saw your entry, and I believe the other one was Christy. So thank you so much for participating, and the rest of you guys can join me on my page with posts on the cookie recipe exchange or on my VIP page for Pampered Chef. Have a wonderful Saturday. I hope y'all are having a great day. Oh, I was going to show you a couple of my favorite things that I got out to use for my sugar cookies. The mixing cups that I love, the measuring spoons, of course. I love these pans for baking my sugar cookies, and my favorite bowl that I will use for sugar cookie dough, which is full of mashed potatoes yet. So I've got to get those cleaned up and out of there so that I could put my cookie dough in there. All right, have a great Saturday. Hope you all are having a great day, and we'll talk again soon.